No, Mr. Keith, London.
Yeah, okay.
That was dude you talking about was dead.
Look good. All individual. So everything back here is pretty much yours.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah, I remember.
Keith London band.
This is black. David Lopez read that little bit. Okay, it's not cheating. It's like this. So if you got 10 feet, right? Let's say you got 10 feet, and you got 30 feet, right? If this kit it works, this kit can go 20, 10, let's say they get, this kit get 9, 9, 9, right? At 10 feet. So that's only 27 points, right? And that's all it is, 27 points. For quality, right? I mean, for depth, right?
Right.
And this kit get 9, 9, 9. Now, for depth wise, this is only going to be a 1.0. That's all it is. 30 feet is 27. But it's like maybe 1.5. Now, if they spinning good, let's say time 1.5 time 1.5. This is the difference right here. I'm sure what the difference is going to be. The 1.0. So it's only going to be 1.5 no matter how you look at it. It's going to be 1.5. This, however, come and get them cans. Watch this. 27 times 1.5. It's 40. Watch this though. I'm out. Okay.
Which one was 40? The 10 foot?
Yeah, this one, it's only 40 points. Now you got this 27 times 2.25, 60, 75. So that's the difference.
Big difference. A good substantial difference.
67. And that's just on 3 breaks. At 1.5 like that. That's the difference. So they can do all they want. They got to work way harder.
They got to work way harder.
Way harder.
But at 10 feet, it's a lot easier for the pigeon, right?
Yeah.
To be able to work that hard for 20 minutes.
Yeah. But then if these is 10s, that's 20, 40, 60. That's 20, 40 times 1.5 times 2.25. This is going to be over 200, no, over 160 maybe. Way over. That's the difference. That's just the difference between the two.
It's the quality and depth part.
But the thing about this is, it's gonna be a lot of times this kid break, they're gonna say it wasn't deep enough. A real judge gonna say, that time it wasn't deep enough. Okay, give me a 1.0. That's what they're gonna be doing. I mean, give me 5. And it's hard. They're gonna be hard to get 9s, 10s, and stuff like that with a 10-point kick, because some of the birds, all the birds, ain't gonna go 10 feet all the time. Some gonna go 8. Some gonna go 7.
Right. So how does the judge at 10 feet, when you got birds that short, how can the judge, you know what I mean? That ain't that hard to judge?
It is, and it's like this. Boom, 1 point. Okay, then it goes. You gonna go 1 point up. You go to 1.1. That's they got the birds got to last the whole 1.1 count.
As far as what's that, a second?
Yeah, a real second, not like 1, 2, 3. No,
Yeah,
like 1 point. Oh, didn't make it.
Yeah, oh, okay. A real
1.1. Okay, I give them that, but only 5 went.
So a second is 10 feet.
10 feet.
Okay,
Much.
got you on that one.
But it's gonna vary. But a good judge going to make the allowances here and there, give or take. It's gonna vary depending on the birds, how solid they are. A solid bird is gonna fall faster than a bird that's fluffy.
So is every breeding a gamble?
It's all theory. Every first time mating is a theory. Just a theory in your head what's gonna happen. But you gotta prove it by when you fly them. That's your confirmation right there when you fly it. And to get really a good confirmation, you got to go at least 2 seasons to it, maybe 3 seasons. But that's not realistic. Not here. It's not realistic.
You don't mind crosses?
No, because they Birmingham rollers. Exactly. Only thing is, your name attached to this one, his name attached to that one, his name attached. That's the only thing different. And if you want frequency, and if your birds go flat, you want to go to a dude that got all what you need, and it might not be the birds you already have. Because dudes get mad when I say stuff like, and I make a comment about the Jerry Higgins birds. It's in my birds, no doubt. But they don't understand the best of that bloodline has already been bred.
Yeah, you got.
So they exhausted the gene pool. The gene pool is exhausted. You can't get no better no more. That's it. That's it.
So it needs a cross.
So they need to do something different, and that's how all these families are born. Somebody say I'm gonna do something different. He on top over here. Now he just took a family that's already well established and did something different. Boom, he got that. He got peanut butter. He said, I'm gonna put jelly with mine.
So it is important for that family that you choosing to get started with that they have lineage.
Yeah, you have consistency.
Consistent.
Stay consistent.
Okay.
Something you can make them go from here. You're like, you here, you want to get there. So you want to go up, straight. You never want to go down. You just want to figure out how to get there. And them dudes won't do what it takes.